So my name is Michelle and I am with Juniper Calligraphy.
Hi, I'm Henry. I'm the owner and butterfly dad of Paradise Monarchs. I am thrilled to be here at Founders Day because it allows us the opportunity to share what we love and what we're passionate about with the community.
This is my second Founders Day and I'm really excited because it just gets everyone together, really talk about the community. Everyone is all about family and community, and it's really special that we can get everyone here together.
It's just so great to see our members out here in the community also showcasing their businesses or organizations.
The most exciting thing about Founders Day is the ability to connect with people and to get them excited about sustainable practices. One of the things I really enjoy and appreciate about Ward Village is they're really about community and getting people involved in the area.